How to use coins on Aliexpress. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your web application. In my case, I will be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in aliexpress.com and get logged into your Aliexpress account. In your homepage, you will see coins. Tap onto it. Just like so. As you tap on collect coins, you will have plus 20 coins. Then you can buy various stuff if you scroll below. Tap on anyone that you would like to buy. Then tap on buy now. Choose the color and the quantity. Then tap on buy now again. And just like so, enter your address. That way you can buy or use your coins on AliExpress. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.